What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we've got Dde, and B is for build is back with a new build, and with Dde we're going to talk about their Clickbait La Ferrari episode. We've also got Tavarish. He's actually brought out another episode on his 675Lt build, and we've got a few more after that, so stay tuned. Hey there guys, hope you are doing well and safe wherever you are in the world, and thank you very much for tuning in to another podcast here on 5-Star Cars. If you're new to the channel, thanks very much for joining me and taking a few minutes out of your day. If you like this kind of stuff where we are trying to get some other car YouTubers to do a podcast with us, and you want to see the channel grow and get a project car, I'm aiming to get an M2, smash the subscribe button, guys, and even comment below. I love when you guys comment and get involved. I love chatting to you guys, and that's the plans for the channel at the moment. So I've taken your feedback, guys. I know my intros are too long before I get into the stories and stuff like that, so I'm just going to jump straight into it and not dick around anymore. So let's get into it. Basically, as I said, first on our list is B is for build are back with a new build. I am absolutely over the moon, and this one looks like it's going to be an absolute killer. So they're doing their apocalyptic build. So each of them have all picked a car to do their build. I'm already hands down putting down Chris winning. Like the render that he's after bringing up with this build is bloody insane. Holy shit! I mean, it's the way it turns out in this render. I was like, no way. But it obviously comes down to the way the render is and how it's going to come out. But it's off to a good start. I just can't, this is definitely going to make up for the Mustang BS that happened to him, so I'm delighted for him. So here is a look at the render that he has proposed.
And I designed it, and here are some rough renderings. So I'm not great at 3D modeling, and I'm definitely not great at rendering these things out. So I'm just spinning them around to be able to show you guys kind of the angles and let the light bounce off of it in different ways. Once we get started, I will definitely have some of my friends that are artists do better real world renders, but you guys can get a look at what this thing is going to look like. It's inspired by single-seater race cars mixed with inspiration from fighter jets and inspiration from the Batmobile and inspiration from stealth bombers and inspiration from futuristic armored vehicles with flat paneling and stuff like that.
So yeah, guys, what do you think? Comment below, let me know. I'm really excited. It looks freaking awesome. I mean, fuck me, it's gonna be so good. The way he's just in his head and the way he's rendered it, if he can get it any way close to that, I mean, even in the render in red, it looks, or the black or the white, it looks absolutely sick. I just love the way it's so blocky but so long. The wheels look unbelievable. I love the way he has the arch, the way the arches, the wheel wells are shaped over the wheels. He's going for such a skinny chassis, mid-engine off the Corvette C5. This is going to be absolutely nuts. If you've seen the episode, comment below and let me know what you think of the build and what you're excited for, what you think of the first render. What other two cars you think the guys got, Kyle and Oscar, I don't know, I have no idea what they've picked up, but my god, I'm so excited for this build. I'm hoping now they're going to post more regularly and not be waiting one video a week. At least post a bit more often, because this looks like it's going to be pretty sick. So yeah, I can't wait for this build. I'm delighted they're back with something like this. Moving on to the next on our list is Dde with their Clickbait La Ferrari. I knew it was going to be Clickbait because I spotted the reg off his Corvette on the La Ferrari, and it did say Clickbait, which was the first thing I saw. I was like, there's no way they've bought this. And YouTubers, in fairness, cannot, I don't know, it's just it's a $3 million hypercar. I don't know if they would have been able to afford at least that'd be insane money. I kind of guessed they hadn't bought it, but it was just probably a bit of fun. I'm sure a lot of people, I know Life Apollos was like, oh, it was fun to speculate, true, but come on, guys, who's the I only know 2 car YouTubers on YouTube that I watch that would definitely be able to afford that car. Manny Cashman is one, like he's the hypercar king at the moment, and OB Prestige in Ottawa in Canada. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. He has an unbelievable collection, and they're the only two guys I know will be able to do content like that with a La Ferrari. You know, I think people love Dde for having, you know, the smaller supercars and doing them up and doing mad things, but I'm glad they got the sound off this thing. I'm glad they got this though. Like this sound is on a La Ferrari is unbelievable.
Ready? Ready! Start, clear prop! Clear prop! Put in sport mode, Damon! That's I like that. I like
Now
that.
it's open.
Absolutely sick. Is it worth every penny of 3 million? Well, I'd say, I suppose once you're a multi-millionaire like Manny Cashman, you can afford it. It's like buying a $300,000 car and not a $3 million car. But will Dde ever get a hypercar? I mean, they're at a level of Stradman, and I think they'd be at a level of under 1 million. You know, obviously they probably have to sell one or two of the cars, but their subs are growing. So who knows? If they are going to get a supercar, guys, what you think they would, or a hypercar, what you think they would end up buying? I'm presuming a Senna, maybe. That's just a guess, but that's what I think. So next on the list, Tavarish. My God, 2 videos in a row. I'm absolutely shocked. And in my last video, it'll come up here from yesterday. Yeah, I did say in it that I wonder if he'll say how much he paid on the parts, and lo and behold, he has told us how much he paid on the parts. I'm just gonna let you tell him right now.
That bill was $50,000. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 50 grand for parts, and that hurts the bank account, but it is definitely worth it, because that bill from McLaren would have been north of $200,000 or more, because we still don't know what the deal is with that carbon tub.
Yeah, guys, 50 G's on second-hand parts, and that is a bargain compared to what he was saying. McLaren, he was saying, was probably costing over 200 G's for parts directly from McLaren. That is insane money, but it is an insane car. I love the 675Lt. I think Shmi has one in purple. It's like one of my favorite cars up there in the McLaren brand. I really do love McLaren. I'm a Lamborghini guy, but my God, McLaren are definitely up in my top 5 of, you know, supercar brands that I love. And I cannot wait to see Tavarish really dig into this and get it completed. He did ask what colour would he spray it. I don't know what it is with me in the last year. I've gone nuts for purple. I don't know why, so I hope he goes purple. If not, I would like a crystal blue, like, you know, like a crystal silvery blue. I like blue. Like a really kind of metallic or a pearl blue would be nice, I think, on it with the silver wheels. I don't think he should go orange, because he already has the Lamborghini Murcielago in orange, and I just think just having 2 orange cars. But it's my own opinion. Let me know in the comments below what colour you think he should spray the 675Lt. Next on our list is Mighty Car Mods, talking about spraying cars in a colour. Yes, they have basically gotten their Subaru WRX STI, whatever you want to call it, sprayed, and he kept it with the same colour. I was a bit skeptical at the start about this colour, going blue as well. It does look really nice because it's fresh and brand new, but again, it is a nice colour, don't get me wrong. It wouldn't have been the blue I'd went for. That's just, again, my own personal thing. I would have went for a more popping, kind of metallically, you know, a more, what's the blue I'm looking for? I probably would have even went maybe satin chrome blue. You know, that's the kind of person I am. But they've done a really good job in it, and it is going to look. I'm not even a Subaru person, but I must say the spray job that was done in this car was pretty dope. And if you are following the series, let me know what you thought of him getting sprayed that colour. She went a different colour. You know, and what you think it's going to look like when it's finished. It does look like it's coming together pretty good, and there's a lot of work on it, and I love watching their rebuilds. They are pretty dope, Mighty Car Mods, you know, and some out the subs. So moving last on our list, I like covering this guy because he does such good car reviews. He's really killing in the subs lately. jayemm on cars. He's basically done a review on, he does like affordable supercars, you know, I think every Saturday. And this one he has done the Aston Martin Vantage, the V8 in the UK. They are going for around 20 to 25,000 pounds sterling. His friend got one, including insurance and tax, for under 25,000. The car is immaculate, one owner, 40,000 miles or 54,000 miles, I can't remember. But the thing is absolutely spotless. You're getting some of the car for that money, and his review was brilliant. Like he really does break it down and put it in a way where you just kind of go, you know, would I buy that car? Would I not? You know, he does good car reviews, and if you're looking and thinking of buying an Aston Martin, I would highly recommend going over to his channel and checking out the video. You know, again, it's just, would I get one myself in that price range? It would definitely be my top 3 to consider. It's just the running costs, and the petrol, you know, would probably, or the gas would probably cost you quite a lot to run. But again, you know, it's a difficult one. I suppose you weigh up the pros and cons. I would love to have one of those cars. I would definitely consider getting one for the channel if we got big enough. But we will still see. With your support and help, we might get there. We shall see. So that is everything for today, guys. That's everything we're wrapping up with. Will I have a video out tomorrow? This one is late. I'm sorry. Just a few things got up. I was a bit sick yesterday, so this is a late drop today. But I won't have one out tomorrow, I don't think. I just need to do a few things, but I will definitely have one on Friday and one Saturday and Sunday, I'm presuming, unless something comes up. So yeah, thanks for watching till the end. I hope you support the channel, guys. Enjoy my videos. Check out my other videos, yeah, and give us just subscribe and or like or comment below. So yeah, hope you are safe wherever you are in the world. Peace out and bye.